Hey there, sleep seekers. Are you tired of counting sheep and still staring at the ceiling? We get it, and we're here to share some encouraging insights from the latest sleep research. Let's dive into a recent study that sheds light on how our lifestyles affect our sleep quality. The research indicates a strong link between our daily habits and the ease with which we drift off to dreamland. It turns out that regular physical activity can significantly improve sleep onset, helping you fall asleep faster. Also, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading or taking a warm bath, signals your body that it's time to wind down. Why does this matter to you? Because making small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements in your sleep. The study emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet, suggesting that avoiding heavy meals and sugary snacks before bed can prevent those restless nights. Also, exposure to natural light during the day helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at consistent times. So, what can you do? Start by incorporating a 30-minute walk into your daily routine, create a calming pre-sleep ritual, and be mindful of your diet, especially in the evenings. Remember, better sleep is within reach. Experiment with these lifestyle adjustments and discover what works best for you. If challenges persist, don't hesitate to explore other treatment options. Sweet dreams are possible.